Well, folks, it's been a busy day. I'm not going to be able to do a live. I was planning on it, but I had some other obligations, last minute obligations to attend to. And then we have these little babies. Look at these little babies. They're so cute. Yes, I do a chicken talk. They were hatched by our first graders at school, and now they've come to live on my farm. Look at how cute they are. So precious. So these are the babies from our flock. So these eggs were the eggs that came from our chicken house. So I guess you can call these my grand chickies.